Hello everyone, I'm Lucio Tian with Coffee and Craft. This is about the issue with Leathercraft CAD on the latest version of macOS Sonoma 14, which is just released 2-3 days ago. The issue is, as you can see, the CAD window will be like this, expanded, and there's no way you can use this software anymore. But there is a solution. This is not a perfect permanent solution, but it's just a temporary solution. But it worth doing it because you'll be able to start using the software again. So I will show you how to set up the display correctly to make it work. It's kind of tricky, but if you follow my instruction, then you should be able to do it. So first, go to the settings here. And then choose display right here, displays. And then there are some options here for the resolution, but none of those works. But there's an advanced section here. So click this button and then choose show resolution as list. So do this first. Then you will see the list of the resolution, and also an extra button appears here, show all resolutions. So click on that, and then now you have all the available resolutions. And then these resolutions, so this one doesn't work, and then let's see, so there are 3 resolutions that doesn't work, and unfortunately all those 3 are in here. So 1680. So this one doesn't work, and this one doesn't work either. So this time I chose 1650 by 1050, and look at this Leathercraft CAD window. Everything went back to normal, so you'll be able to use in it. Let's try it. Choose line. Yep, draw a line, do it, arc, yep, everything works correctly. So please do that until I fix this issue entirely. And unfortunately, I have to wait until Apple come up with some kind of solution, or the software development tool provider, fix this issue. Then I will be able to release the version of Leathercraft CAD that works with the default screen resolution. But until that happens, this will be your solution if you already upgraded it to Sonoma. And then if you haven't upgraded to Sonoma yet, I would recommend keep using Ventura or whatever the previous version of macOS if you don't have any problem with that. And I hope this will solve your problem for now. Alright, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.